I'm going to review the best milling machine in the market for this year. We may not get a chance to change the price mentioned in the video, but what we can do is we always provide links in the following description of the video from where you will be able to find the update prices of each product mentioned in the description. So if you look for the up-to-date price information, just make sure of watching the video till the end and click on the link to find out the current price and which product will be the best for you. If you feel that our video is quite helpful for you, please don't hesitate to like, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. At number 1, My Sweetie CNC Machine. This unique milling machine comes with a spare part set that includes everything you need to assemble it. It works on an area that is 300 by 180 by 45 millimeters in dimension. It supports computers that run on Windows OS, especially Windows XP, Windows 10, Windows 8, and Windows 7. You can use this milling machine to engrave several materials including acrylic, wood, plastic, PVC, plywood, PCB, and other materials. Additionally, it can be used with a laser head that you can shop online or offline. It comes with a spindle motor, which has 775 rotations per minute capacity for added strength. At number 2, Proxxon 37110 Micromill MF70. This machine has a variable speed of 5,000 to 20,000 rotations per minute, thereby making it work at a very high speed. It has a motor installed and it utilizes 110 to 120 volts of electricity. It weighs 15.5 pounds, moderate weight for a milling machine that doesn't give you additional stress when operating it. It travels in the X and Y direction with 5 to 17 over 64 inches and 1 to 13 over 16 inches, respectively, and vertical travel of 2 to 3/4 inches. The required size of the table is 7 to 7/8 inches, 2 to 3/4 inches in dimension. At number 3, Erie Tools Variable Speed Mini Milling Machine. This machine offers an adequate solution to your milling problems. It drills with a capacity of 3/8 inches, which is about 10 millimeters, giving an end mill of the same unit. The machine package includes a shank set of 3/8 inches that comes paddled with 6 pieces of flute, all which have been adorned with super speed. It comes in different sizes, which includes 1/8 inches, 1/4 inches, 3/16 inches, 5/16 inches, and 5/32 inches. Apart from these, the machine works on various materials, including wood, paper, plastic, PVC, acrylic, and other materials that can be engraved.
Thanks for watching this video. If you have recently bought products and got any experience during purchasing, then you are welcome to share that experience in our comment section. And hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to be the first to enjoy the latest video in the future.